The tool I'm about to demo for you is a complete game changer. In my opinion, it's one of the most powerful AI tools on the market. And I'm not just saying that because I have built it myself meticulously over the past several months. I'm saying it because I coach actual operators selling online courses, coaching programs, and products weekly. I've audited over 1,000 funnels, offers, and ads, and I've seen that there's a major hole in the market right now. There are so many incredible tools that show you how to start online businesses. However, once you're started, they sort of just leave you to figure it out or give you very generic advice that's not specific to you, your offer, or where you're actually at in your business. This is why I built Cellcath. This is the tool I wish that I had when I started 10 years ago, and this is the tool that I know for a fact operators just like yourself wish they had now because I talk to them every single week. I'm going to link it down below, and in the next 8 minutes or so, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. I hope you enjoy it. Immediately after starting your Cellcath subscription, you will set up your first offer and run your first diagnostic. This means within 2 to 3 minutes of signing up, you will know exactly where your funnel, ads, and offer are leaking and exactly how to fix it. First, we'll go ahead and scan your sales page. This allows our AI to pull all of the relevant info about your offer. You'll have full customization to set up multiple pricing tiers, order bumps, and upsells. Next, you'll connect your meta ads. This allows our system to track your campaigns in real time. We'll give you real-time coaching about when to scale, how to scale, what moves to make, and give you critical alerts when ads reach critical levels. Additionally, we'll plug into your Meta Pixel so we can track the same important metrics across your sales page, checkout page, websites, funnels, and more, giving you real-time updates and real-time alerts of what's going on and when to pivot. You'll be able to choose exactly what ad accounts to connect, what pixels to connect, and even choose from specific campaigns and their target temperature. Finally, our system will run a detailed 9-level diagnostic to track everything across your offer, sales page, and ads to give you an exact analysis of what's leaking and real-time coaching on exactly how to fix it. Next, you'll get a quick breakdown of where things stand before going into your dashboard to get detailed fixes. Once you land in the dashboard, you'll meet Cath. Cath is your personal AI coach that knows everything about your offer and exactly how to fix it. Cath will give you a quick tour of the platform, what everything is, how to use it, and how to get the most out of the platform. At the top of your dashboard, you will see a visual representation of your funnel as it stands right now. For example, we can see here that the ads are doing their job, the sales page is doing its job, but there's a critical failure at the checkout page. This is all tracked and updated in real time. As we scroll a bit further down, we'll see our action items organized by the priority in which they're costing you money. For example, we can see our first priority to fix is that buyers are abandoning our checkout. Instead of just having to guess how to do this, you can have Cath walk you through it directly, step by step. Once complete, you'll check off the box, and Cath will tell you exactly what to work on next. Additionally, at any point, you can come in and tell Cath exactly what you're working on today and get clear coaching and direction. If at any point you'd like to add a new offer, you can simply click the New Offer button and go through the same process to add a brand new offer, link separate ad accounts, pixels, and everything else, and easily toggle between your offers right here at the top of your dashboard. All of the AI chats and coaching will be specific to those offers as you toggle back and forth. Next, let's take a look at some of our specialized dashboards and tools. First, the ads dashboard. This is your dedicated workspace for all things ads. You'll get a quick breakdown of your overall performance that syncs in real time and can be manually resynced at any point. If anything is broken or there are any critical alerts, you'll see them right here and in the alerts bell on the top right-hand corner. Next, let's take a look at your funnels dashboard. This is your all-in-one place to see your entire funnel performance, from your sales page conversion rate to checkout and everything in between, all ranked by level of severity that it's costing you money. Get a complete scan of each section of your funnel graded on a scale of 1 to 10. Additionally, you'll get real action items that Cath can walk you through. For example, if we want to fix our page foundation, Cath will actually scan my page in real time and give me real-time updates on fixes that I should make. Additionally, you can go to the offer section to get a comprehensive breakdown on your offer, offer strength, and holes and weaknesses that can easily be fixed. Just like all the other dashboards, Cath will give you a streamlined walkthrough process of exactly what you should do in order to fix your offer. Our dedicated A/B test tool gives you proven A/B test strategies that you can run in real time, track performance, and track winners. These outputs are not generic AI slop. These are actually researched based on your offer and your current sales page. Additionally, the Offer Ideas tab will allow you to use Cath to build out strategic upsells, order bumps, and ascension ladders. You can do quick generation or have Cath run a deep research session and build out an actual high probability winner. Here we can see that Cath has generated a list of 5 high probability order bump ideas. It gives you a complete breakdown on each idea, the recommended price point, the estimated take rate, and the estimated lift to your AOV based on that take rate. You can dismiss these and generate new ones. Mark as implemented at any time. Next, we'll check out the Funnel Analyzer tool. This allows you to quickly get analysis on funnels, either your own, competitions, or inspiration. Simply go ahead and put in the funnel URL and the checkout page if applicable, and click Analyze Funnel. Cath will run a deep level diagnostic on your funnel and give you recommendations and fixes. Here, we run an analysis on one of our spin-off products for this brand. Cath has given us a full diagnostic, a ranking, and a fix plan. And as always, we can simply ask Cath to walk us through how to fix this in real time. Additionally, Cath generates A/B test recommendations that we should try in real time. And last but certainly not least, at any point you can click the Ask Cath button, or on your dashboard, you can click the Cath icon in the bottom right hand side, click on any of the recommendations, or start a chat in real time. Here we can see that I've asked Cath to help me with my Memorial Day sale. Because Cath actually scans my offer and my funnel in real time, it knows that my sale is already live. And now it's giving me a list of implementations that I can use to increase the performance of my sale based on the real life data that it's scanned from my ads and sales page. You can use Cath at any point to help you with whatever it is you're working on and get real guidance that will massively outperform the outputs of a generic AI language model. Finally, you can see here in the coming soon section that we have many features that will be released in the coming months. A live funnel heat map system so you can actually track how visitors interact with your funnel and see where they drop off. A VSL analyzer to track the performance of your VSL, its effectiveness, and exactly the minute to second that visitors stop watching and help you diagnose why that is and how to fix it. And a competitor intel tool, allowing you to input your competition and get deep research and scans on their funnels, ads, and more. Additionally, outside of our Meta integration, we have a Go High Level integration, allowing you to link your Go High Level funnels directly so you can pull data in real time. We have many more integrations coming down the pipeline. This is Cellcath in a nutshell. This is the tool that I wish would have existed when I started my journey selling online products. It's a tool that I have personally built meticulously with over 10 years of real-world experience baked in, over 1,000 real diagnostic calls with money on the line, and 2+ years of coaching calls, all baked into a custom-built AI system that will give you the best outputs and coaching on the market to find and diagnose and solve the problems that are causing you to leak cash. Right now, you can jump in for just $47 a month during our founder's launch. This will give you lifetime access at this price point and lifetime access to all future tools. In addition to the Cellcath software, you'll also get access to my operator community, a place full of high-level operators where we talk in real time about what's working, help each other out, solve problems, and do live diagnostic calls. If you're tired of throwing spaghetti at the wall just to see what sticks, tired of burning ad spend, and tired of feeling frustrated guessing, Cellcath will solve those problems.